What's up, you guys? It's your girl Imani here. I finally took your advice and tried a braid out, and I am so happy that I did. If you want to see how I got these results, keep on watching. Alright guys, so off camera I went ahead and washed my hair with the Miche Cleanse sulfate free shampoo. I then followed it up with their Indulge moisturizing deep conditioner, and then I detangled my hair and put their lavish leave-in conditioner and used my favorite detangling brush, which is looking kind of a mess right now, but it just shows that I actually use it, right? So even though I detangled it in the shower before putting it into these chunky twists, I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair again just to make sure that there are no knots or anything in it. Then I went ahead and put my quenched hydrating and twisting butter onto my hair before I started braiding. Y'all, braiding does not come naturally to me at all. It's kind of sped up, so you might not be able to tell, but I was really struggling with making the pieces even, and the result was that the end, I would always have to keep borrowing from each piece, which was just like annoying to me. It's not easy for me at all, but you know, a girl's got to do what a girl's got to do. You guys requested it. You've been requesting it for a while, so I said, all right, let me give it a try. So I'm just going to keep doing that throughout my whole head. I think I winded up with about 16 braids all throughout my head, and then I just kind of twisted the ends just so it wouldn't lie flat like that there. So once I finished all the braids, I went ahead and used my polished hair and scalp oil, also by Miche, to rub it into my hair just to seal in that moisture. I then took it into my roots and on my scalp just so that my scalp wouldn't get too dry. I knew that I was going to actually sit with these braids for a few days, and you know, I just needed my scalp to stay pretty moisturized. So this is what it looks like. As y'all see, I was a little nervous about it, but yeah, so this is actually a few days later, going ahead and taking them out. As y'all can see by my face, I didn't think it was going to come out nice at all. So I'm taking my scalp oil yet again and rubbing it on my braids just to make sure I don't have as much frizz. My camera actually died right before I started taking them out, so this is kind of like the end result here, and I am loving the way it was coming out. You guys will see in a second that after I finished taking out all the braids, I actually was really considering just leaving it like that, but I wanted a little bit more volume, so I did fluff it out a little bit, and you guys will see that in a second. So like I said, I actually wasn't going to separate my strands because I was really feeling the definition that I had, but I wanted a bit more volume, so I'm just going in just a few strands to separate them in like the little spaces where you see the gaps. I know you see the gaps because I definitely saw the gaps and see the gaps right now. So I'm just going ahead and doing that, and then right after I'm going to use my hands as a pick instead of my actual pick, just to help create less frizz to fluff my hair out. So now I'm going ahead with my Wetline Extreme Gel and my edges brush because my edges was looking crazy. I know y'all could tell too. So yeah, this is the results. How do you guys like it? Y'all been requesting it, and I'm glad y'all did because I am really feeling this braid out. If I could get a little better at braiding, I might do this more often, you guys. So yeah. Thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, that like, and I'll see y'all for the next one. Bye.